talk for a little bit. I haven't blended in my color correcting concealer because I want to show you guys this new product that I've gotten. That I'm going to be blending my concealer for color correcting as well as my foundation and the concealer for my highlighted areas. I'm going to be blending with these. You may have seen these on Instagram or Facebook. They're all over social media. All they are is they're beauty blenders, but they're a little bit different. They are covered, I don't know if you can see the ripples in there. They're coated in this silicone outer stuff. They have silicone on the outside, and they're supposed to be a little bit better than beauty blenders, the spongy blenders, because unlike the spongy blenders, they won't absorb the product that you put on. It's supposed to take like less than half the product that you would normally use. So I'm going to be using these. So I just wanted to stop for a second and show you guys these. They're so great. So I'm really excited to use these for my whole face. This is my first time using them for my whole face. So if you've seen these, you know, this is not sponsored. I just wanted to show you guys these. They're for sale everywhere. You can get them from a name brand company. You can go to Walmart, I think even has them. Amazon, stuff like that. They all have them. So you can get them. And they're really neat looking in their little shapes. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. So back to the tutorial.